Have you ever felt like the control center on your iOS 18 device doesn't quite have everything you need? Well, worry no more, because in iOS 18, you can now add more pages to the control center and customize it to your heart's content. To begin editing the control center, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen. Once you've opened the control center, tap on the plus symbol located in the upper left corner. This will enter you into edit mode. Swipe up to create a new blank page in the control center. On the new page, scroll to the bottom of the screen and tap on Add Control. This will bring up a list of options that you can choose from to add to your new control center page. Select the controls you want by tapping on them, and they will appear on your new control center page. You can arrange them in any order you like by dragging them around. Once you're satisfied with your new page layout, tap on Done in the upper right corner to save your changes. And there you have it! If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips like this, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.